Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy, but you can call me Deuce, and I'm coming to you from LaPosa South in Quartzsite, Arizona. This place is buzzing with energy as RVers are rolling in, gearing up for the big RV show later this month. Today, we're taking the drone out for a flight to give you a bird's eye view of how it looks here in early January. Let's go soar high above the desert and see what's going on. Welcome to LaPosa South, a long-term visitor area, or LTVA, here in Quartzsite, Arizona, which has been my home since November 6th. Our flight begins at the main entrance off of Highway 95, where countless adventure seekers arrive to make this desert haven their winter base camp. From here, we're heading east, flying over the main road that cuts through this vast and unique camping area. Right here, to the right side of the main road, at the bottom of the screen, is the Blue Boy dump station. That's where I go every couple days to empty my cassette toilet. Since Thanksgiving, LaPosa South has steadily become busier and busier, and after Christmas, the influx of visitors has transformed into a bustling hub. The more crowded it gets, the more it feels like a small city rather than a traditional camping experience. One of the highlights of LaPosa South is its convenience. For a $180 7-month seasonal pass that is good from September 15th to April 15th, campers gain access to water fill stations, sewer dumps, trash dumpsters, and outhouse toilets. These amenities make extended stays comfortable and stress-free while providing excellent value for its visitors. Covering thousands of acres, LaPosa South offers plenty of room for campers to spread out and carve their own piece of the desert. Or, for those seeking a sense of camaraderie, to join the growing community that gathers here every winter. Even the back 40 at LaPosa South has gotten much busier since I first arrived. The steady line of vehicles on this dirt road shows just how active the area has become, with more campers arriving every day as we gear up for the big RV show here in a couple weeks. As LaPosa South becomes busier, dust clouds have become more frequent, leaving us no choice but to embrace it as a way of life in the desert. Scattered throughout the LTVA, you'll find intricate rock art formations. These are creative markers left behind by fellow campers that add a personal and unique character to this open desert space. This LTVA caters to a diverse group of travelers, from RVers and van lifers to schoolies and tent campers. It offers the freedom of dispersed camping alongside essential services, making it a popular destination for those seeking both adventure and community. With daily high temperatures in the 70s nearly every day and consistent sunny weather, this has been an ideal base camp for the season. The serene desert beauty, convenient amenities, and unique social atmosphere make LaPosa South an unforgettable experience. Whether you're drawn to solitude, the open road, or the shared joy of community, LaPosa South has something to offer everyone. Thank you for joining me on this flyover. And remember to roam free and explore more, and keep those good vibes flowing.